We did it, guys. We hit 10K before the end of the year. Hey, guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I come to you thankful, perfect timing, right? Thanksgiving is tomorrow. Humbled and appreciative of everything that has happened over the last 2 years with my channel. I am passionate about fragrances. I love talking about them. I talk about that in a lot of my videos. And what I wasn't expecting was the overwhelming positive support from you guys. I had a goal that I talked about quite often on the channel as well, about hitting 10,000 subscribers before the end of the year. And we did that. And I thank you guys so much for that. This video is going to be a little different. It's just going to be me sort of talking about the things that I'm grateful for, the gratitude I feel. And again, the fact that you guys like to come back to my channel and watch my videos, leaving positive comments. It means the world to me, guys. I wish I could express, words can't express how it truly makes me feel. So thank you so much for that. And I want to discuss a little bit about the future of the channel, where I see the channel going, my ultimate goal with the channel. So I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to do that. So this video is different, a little more insightful, maybe give you a glimpse as to what, a little more into my life. But when I started uploading videos 2 years ago, so I've been into fragrance my whole life. It's always been a part of my life. My mother introduced me to fragrances. I always joke around that I was the only kid in elementary school to be wearing Brut, and that's probably true to this day. She got me a bottle of Brut, and I just thought it was the coolest thing. You know, having your own fragrance to wear to school. It was incredible. And that set forth the things that drew my interest into the hobby and trying different fragrances and all that. So it was really fun, and it still is fun. Fast forward, you know, I had a signature scent for years. I wore Burberry Touch for years. And then I sort of, my interest in fragrance was reignited again. I sort of went to a place where it was just, I wanted to not overthink it, just simplify it, have one go-to scent. I had other fragrances in my collection, but not like I have today. And really, I fell in love with the artistry of fragrance, perfumery. It fascinated me, and to this day, is still a passion. With that being said, you know, I have the most fun trying different fragrances, talking about them with you guys. That's the most fun I have on this channel. The rack store hunts are fun. Finding things in the wild, that's fun. So I never want to steer away from things that I enjoy doing. If you guys enjoy them at the same time, that is just, you know, that's the goal, is to make content that you guys actually like watching. I think that it's important to evolve, and I do see the channel evolving. To what exactly, I'm not sure. I know that I want to continue to talk about fragrances. That will not change. Maybe some other stuff. Maybe there's another channel in my future. I don't know. But as far as this channel goes, I want to continue to do the things I'm doing. Maybe and add in some other new things for the new year. And that's, I have things planned. I'm super excited about them. One thing I plan on doing more often is live streaming. I had told you guys once I hit 10K, I was going to do a live stream, and that has not changed. Sometime after the new year, I will be doing a live stream, but I want to make it fun. I want to make it a fun place to come and you guys are entertained. I don't want it to just to be sort of a boring live stream that doesn't add value to your life, because you guys are taking your time to come watch me. It's absolutely incredible. To this day, I still can't believe it. So, and as a matter of fact, just yesterday, I was filming for Friday's Rack Store haul. And one of you guys came up to me, John, a subscriber, recognized me, said hello. I mean, I am so appreciative of that. We talked about fragrances for a couple of minutes. You know, we talked about work. So it's just, those things for me can't be measured. They're just, I'm so blessed to have that, to have you guys again watch this channel. So I'd like to know what you guys want to see more of. You know, it's tough because sometimes people like certain content, others don't like it. You're never going to make everyone happy. It's impossible. But what I think is possible is that commonality that we all have, and using that to get the most out of this channel, the most value out of this channel. And to me, that's the coolest thing. So I would love, I'm open to all feedback. As you guys know, I answer every single comment, every comment that I'm left that I see, because sometimes there's weird things where YouTube will hide the comment from me. Not sure why. But there are comments that, I mean, there's really, it's rare if ever I don't answer a comment, even if it's a negative comment. I'm open to negative comments. I'm open to feedback, critical feedback. It doesn't matter. I'm not afraid of that. I want that. I want to improve the channel. So if there's ways that you guys can see how I can improve the channel, I have plans. As I said, I want to change things up a bit. I want to evolve slowly. My bigger goal for the channel is to continue to grow. Next stop, 50,000 subscribers. When I say it, it sounds like an unbelievable task, but we hit 10K. 2 years to the week, I started uploading videos. We hit 10K. I'm sure we can hit 50. So that's the next goal. That's the next step goal for me. 50,000 subscribers. Hitting 10K, I believe I can do it. I just want to wrap things up. I wasn't going to talk about fragrance this video, but I saw it fitting to mention the fragrance that I reached for today. And I see this as a special occasion it's a special fragrance to me. So I will probably tie this scent going forward to today. The day that you guys helped me hit 10,000 subscribers. Scent I'm talking about is Serge Lutens Ombre Sultan. And we got to check the atomizer. Man, one of the best amber fragrances you will ever smell. It is opulent. It's beautiful. It's thick, resinous amber with some spice in there. I love this stuff. Perfect for a cold day. Today, it's cold. It's rainy. This is going to lift you up a bit with its warmth, its slight sweetness, and that amber. It's just incredible stuff. So I will be wearing this one today. Guys, thank you again so much for all the support, everything that you guys have poured into this channel. Some of you guys consistently commenting, liking my videos, sharing them, being super positive. I love that. And I'm not a negative person. I try not to follow the drama. I try not to indulge the negative comments. It's part of this, right? I'm putting myself out there talking about fragrance. I'm open to criticism. But I truly appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. Big things I have planned for this channel. I'm excited to see what else is in store. Drop in the comment section down below what you guys think I should do next. Where do you see this channel going? What do you want to see more of? I truly appreciate it. I will read every single comment and respond to every single comment, as I always do, and go from there. But thank you guys. Thank you so much. And I'll see you in the next one.